Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox failed to connect to the game ID-17. So let's get started. So here we are in our PC, and from here what we're going to do first is that we're going to go here into our start menu because we're going to open CMD, and then we're going to go for command prompt, run as administrator right here. Make sure to write as administrator, and then from here what we're going to do is type in ipconfig /flush DNS. And then you want to hit enter, and then once you're done with that, you want to go now for net winsock right here, reset just like that, hit enter, and after that you need to restart your computer. So you want to exit right here, and you can also do the second step right away, or you can do it after restarting. If that didn't solve your problem, then you can do this right here. You want to go here into your start menu, and from here we're going to go into network right here, network status under system settings, click on it, and then from here you're going to go into network and sharing center right here, click on it right here, and then you want to go and select your internet name right here, your Wi-Fi, your Ethernet, you want to select on it, and then from here you want to go into properties right here, and you want to go into IPv4 right here, so select it, and then from here go into properties and make sure to enable this. Use the following DNS server addresses 111, and make sure that you follow this one right here that I have, and after you have typed this out, then you want to click on OK, and then you want to close, and you want to close everything. And now if you haven't restarted your computer, you can restart your computer right now right here, power button, and then you can now go and restart your computer, and after that you can see that the problem is solved. So I hope this video helped you out.